Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so what is the hypothesis in this experiment? Well, that's Al's idea, right? Al thinks salt water will freeze more quickly than fresh water. Okay, what is the dependent variable? So this is the thing that results from something else. Like if we say y equals 3x, y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. So it's the variable which depends on what we do, right? So in the end, it's the value we look at to determine what happened, right? That's what the dependent variable is. So this is actually the time it takes to freeze. That's what we're measuring, essentially, to figure out our hypothesis. And the independent variable is the thing we're changing that we suspect has an effect on time it takes to freeze. So that is the salt content, right? We change the salt content expecting that it will change the time it takes to freeze. We change the independent variable to see what happens to the dependent variable. Constants are essentially, we put them in the same freezer. So temperature is a constant, right? And also the amount of water, right? So we could say mass. Next, we've got the control group. And this is the ice tray without salt. That is, if he wants to figure out the effect of salt on how quickly water freezes, he needs to compare that to something, and he's comparing it to water without salt. Finally, there's the experimental group, and this is the group for which he changed something. This is the ice tray with salt.